Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to everyone watching this video, wherever and whenever you are. First of all, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my introduction video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dewa Syailendra Ajiputra. I'm currently an 11th grade student at SMK Negeri 3 Kendal, majoring in software engineering. Right now, my main focus is learning about software and game development. At school, I study programming basics and web development. Every week, I learn of different topics, such as programming logic, data structures, database, software development, and application design. Besides technical subjects, I also learn how to work in a team, communicate well, and manage my time. Outside of school, I also enjoy learning on my own. I believe that learning does not only happen in the classroom, it also comes from being curious and always wanting to learn something new. One of my biggest interests is linguistics, especially the Indonesian language. I like learning how words are formed, how their meanings can change depending on the context, and how language develop over time. For me, language is not just a way to communicate, it is also a reflection of how people think and interact with each other. In my free time, I enjoy reading articles about language, technology, psychology, and social issues. I like discovering new ideas and different perspectives because they help me broaden my knowledge and improve my critical thinking. Besides reading, I also enjoy writing articles. I use platforms like Medium and Substack to practice sharing my ideas, organizing my thoughts, and writing about things I have learned. For me, writing is not just a hobby, it is also a great way to improve my communication skills and express ideas more clearly. I believe writing is an important skill in every field, especially in technology. A programmer does not only write code, they also need to write documentation, explain ideas, and communicate effectively with their teammates. Because of my interest in language, I become one of the news writers at SMK Negeri 3 Kendal. Besides that, I am also learning to become a volunteer contributor on Wikipedia, where I help fix typos, grammar, and spelling mistakes. I joined Wikipedia on May 4th, 2026. Since then, I have made small edits to several articles, including an article about a public school in Kendal, an article about a village in Kalimantan Selatan, and improvements to the Kalimantan Selatan article. Editing Wikipedia has become one of my favorite hobbies. Okay, now let me tell you a little about my background. I choose software engineering because I have always been interested in technology. I think technology plays an important role in our daily lives, and I hope I can contribute to this field in the future. I am also inspired by someone I really admire, Ivan Ranin. He's both a programmer and a language enthusiast, and I think it's amazing how he combines those two interests. When I first entered vocational school, I had absolutely no programming experience. I started from zero, but instead of giving up, I used that as motivation to keep learning. I know learning is not always easy, but my curiosity and willingness to improve keep me moving forward. Whenever I don't understand a topic, I look for reference, read the documentation, watch tutorial video, and keep practicing until I finally understand it. As I learned more about language, I realized that linguistics and programming actually have a lot in common. Both have rules, structures, pattern, and logic that need to be understood. That is one of the reasons why I enjoy learning both subjects. I have also learned that not everything can be understood quickly. Sometimes I have to read the same material several times before it finally makes sense. That experience has taught me to be patient, never give up, and always look for solutions. While learning by myself, I got used to finding information from many different sources, such as official documentation, articles, tutorial videos, and discussion forums. This habit has helped me become more independent and better at solving problems. I graduated from MTS NU 19 Protomulyo, and now I am studying at SMK Negeri 3 Kendal. Besides programming, I am also interested in linguistics and psychology. After I graduate, I plan to continue my education and earn a bachelor's degree in one of those fields. Out of all of them, linguistics, especially the Indonesian language, is the field I want to study the most. Finally, I had like to share my goals for the future. While studying at SMK Negeri 3 Kendal, I hope to gain more knowledge and practical experience in software development. I want to improve my programming skills, learn modern technologies, and build applications that can help people solve real-life problems. I also want to keep improving my writing skills. I hope I can write more useful articles about technology and linguistics. Besides that, I want to continue contributing to collaborative projects like Wikipedia and other communities that share knowledge with people. In the long term, I hope I can combine my interests in technology and linguistics. I believe these two fields complement each other. Technology technology needs good communication, and linguistics can help make technology easier for people to understand and use. I know I still have a long journey ahead of me. There are many things I still need to learn and many experience I still need to gain. But I believe that as long as I stay curious, keep learning, and continue improving myself, I can achieve my goals. Thank you once again for taking the time to watch my introduction video. It was a pleasure to introduce myself to all of you. I hope we can all continue learning, growing, and making a positive impact through the things we love to do. Thank you, and I hope you all stay healthy and have a wonderful day. Dah.